Installation tool.
The packaging list includes a front plate, a back plate, a lock body, a striking plate and box, accessories, a key box, batteries, an instruction manual, a warranty card, a QA passed card, and installation drawing. Accessories include a long square spindle, a short square spindle, 2 bolts, 2 long round head screws, 2 short round head screws, and 8 screws for fixing the lock and striking plate.
Installation preparation. Identify the direction of the door, right or left, inward or outward. According to the door thickness, the long and short square spindles should be cut to suitable length. Normally, the long square spindle length is 45 millimeters longer than the door thickness. The length of the short square spindle is 45 millimeters longer than half of the door thickness. Insert the bolts into the front plate and tighten them with pliers. Install the short square spindle that has been cut into the tub turn on the back plate. Determine whether or not the spring is installed on the lock surface's square spindle. Adjust the direction of the lock body. Adjust the handle direction and the rotation direction of the short square spindle to ensure they are parallel. Installation. Insert the lock body into the security door after the direction been adjusted, then connect the top and bottom chute bolt. Insert the long square spindle into the lock body. Install the front plate and thread the connecting cable from the door interior to the lock body side and stabilize the front plate by hand. Install the back plate, connect the connecting cable between the back plate and the front plate, and make sure that the connector is inserted until the end. The screws on the back plate are fastened to the front plate. Install the battery and the battery cover. Operation debugging. Operate all unlocking ways to make sure it works smoothly. If your security door does not have a strike plate, install the strike plate that is included in the packaging box. Overall debugging. Operate and set the lock overall to make sure users can operate the lock freely.